would like to bring warm greetings on behalf of NSUI on the 55th Foundation Day of the National Students Union of India. On this historic day, we celebrate the significant milestone of the achievement of NSUI and also of our contribution towards the student empowerment of the young mind. NSUI was founded 55 years ago. Former Prime Minister led Indira Gandhi ji, who is a visionary leader. She have left a legacy among the students and among the nation. And today we are celebrating her rich legacy. It is because of our vision we are having such an education system and we are having such a great nation. NSUI have been advocating for the rights of the students, for the welfare. As said by Sonia Gandhi ji, the three C's of education that is haunting the education system today. Firstly, we have centralization of education. Most of the power, the decision are held in the center, which is a great threat to today's federalism. And also, secondly, is the commercialization of education, investing and outsourcing our education in private sector. That is one of the major threat. The poor and the middle class students, we will not be able to afford the expensive education, and also we cannot afford the private, under-regulated private education system. And also the communalization of education, in which our education, our textbook, curriculum have been modified, preambles have been removed from textbook, and also there is a backdoor attempt to appoint the vice chancellor professorship through ideological backgrounds rather than the academic ideals. The three C's that is haunting our education today. NSUI have been relentlessly fighting for the welfare of the student organization. Recently, we have launched a Hum Badlenge campaign. We have approached the students in each and every campus and university and enroll them as a campus ambassador to be more inclusive with the life of the campus and in the grassroots student politics. Also, we have done protests on paper leaks. We have done protests on irregularities of exam, education budget cuts, and also we have fight for the reservation of ST, SC, and OBC. We have also marched to the parliament to fight for equal, fair, and affordable, accessible democratic education. NSUI will continue fighting for the rights and welfare of students. Even in Manipur, today, we are facing lots of trouble for the students. There is lack of professor, teacher, irregularities in exam, irregularities in administration, and lots of problems are happening to the IDPs and the students residing in relief camp. On this 55th Foundation Day celebration, NSUI firmly stand and also reaffirm our commitment to uplifting the students, to protecting the rights of the students for positive change, and that we will always stand with the students. And I urge our student community that we will be a responsible citizen, and also we will continue to uplift the students. We will be fighting towards bringing better chance for our nation. Thank you. Long live NSUI.
Congress Party! Zindabad! Congress Party! Zindabad!